Bondada Engineering Private Limited, popularly known as BEPL, is a leader in providing complete engineering solutions. Began its journey in 2012. BEPL has been in the provision of wide range of products and services across its diversified three key segments, namely Telecom, renewable energy and green construction products with a decade of experience by now. BEPL's strength stems from its knowledge-based approach, highly experienced team and strong multidisciplinary capabilities. BEPL fosters a culture of excellence and challenging environmental practices. Over the years, BEPL has earned nationwide accolades for designing and delivering infra solutions for customers by leveraging its domain and business expertise. Chairman and Managing Director Mr. Bondada Raghavendra Rao, fondly known as BRR in the industry, is the founder of Bondada Engineering Private Limited. He is an accomplished leader with over 25 years of experience across many sectors, including projects in telecom, power transmission, renewable energy, pre-engineered buildings, and industrial infrastructure. Prior to founding the company, BRR was heading the overall operations as COO and Executive Director of Aster Private Limited. During his 14+ years of tenure at Aster, he has contributed to its phenomenal growth by handling projects worth over 1,500 crores for clients across private and public sector like Power Grid Corporation of India, BSNL, Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, Aircel, various state electricity boards, etc. He has also handled multiple international clients including Huawei, Nepal Telecom, etc. Over the past 9 years since the company's inception, BRR has been instrumental in the growth of the company with its lofty vision combined with execution-oriented approach. He is acclaimed for his perseverance, target achievement, ability to get the best from the team, and his desire to contribute positively to the society at large. He pursued his engineering from Acharya Nagarjuna University in Andhra Pradesh.
After my successful first innings, I have started my second innings in the year 2012. The name of Bondada Engineering Private Limited, that is BEPL. My vision is to establish and lead a respectable organization in infrastructure space, providing world standard quality services and products. BEPL is diversified player in infrastructure sector, focusing on excellence in project execution. It mainly focuses on three leading business segments. These are telecom infrastructure. We have been working on advanced technologies, they are 4G and 5G networks. Renewable energy. We undertake solar EPC projects on megawatt scale basis. We have established state-of-the-art ultra-modern manufacturing facilities for all our green construction products. They are AAC blocks and UPVC windows. Our mission is assimilation of latest technology continuously in order to execute projects with cost effectiveness and adherence to the milestones. Our business development strategy is to get repeat orders from our esteemed customers, delivering project on time, 100% quality assurance, and give highest priority to environment safety.
Over a decade, it has built a strong brand through strategic partnerships with its delivery-based approach focusing on customer requirements in telecom implementation services such as tower construction, optical fiber laying, FTTX works, construction of facilities and retail outlets, telecom managed services, O&M, etc., solar EPC, UPVC doors and windows, manufacturing of AAC blocks. The company pays more attention to focus on expanding its service and product lines to meet the needs of their existing clients by continually focusing on getting extensive quality and efficiency. Thus, BEPL maintains exceptionally high standards of quality, safety and environmental protection and is committed to delivering projects on schedule. BEPL's extensive business lines include several industrious wings and however, right now, Let's have a glance of its primary business lines. Design services. In design and engineering services, Telecom 4G and 5G networks, a step-by-step process flow is defined and implemented by them, such as design evaluation of new build sites, tower loading validation activity of existing towers, pole loading validation activity of existing poles, reverse engineering analysis of existing towers, etc. BEPL expert research team throws deep insights into geotechnical investigation by examining soil test reports, tower designing for different antenna loadings and detailing, designing foundations for towers and pre-dispatch inspection activities, site surveys and layout preparations, structural designs and drawings for industrial and residential buildings architectural plan, site inspections, quality and quantity audits. To the top of these and for supervising all such, BEPL has a dedicated 50 expertise member design team. Construction of cell sites. BEPL is specialized in turnkey services for any kind of telecom cell site. Starting from civil foundation works, it also provides solutions for erection of tower along with its related electrical works. The company offers its services in telecom sector from identification of land for cell site till the cell site is ready for electrification, which involves many sub-activities. The average time taken to construct a cell site is usually 2 to 3 weeks. BEPL, in a very early stage of its inception, has taken up many projects during the time of handling the telecom projects. The works on pan-India basis in this segment with special focus on southern states along with Maharashtra and Goa states. By 2016, BEPL's expert team 4 years of experience and their learning inputs on practical market platform since its inception in 2012 and its innovativeness in telecom segment have paved the ways to come up with various ideas for diversifying their business further. Laying of optical fiber cable. Apart from cell site construction, BEPL also undertakes another passive infrastructure creation, that is, laying of optical fiber cable within the city and between the cities. FTTX works. BEPL provides extensive fiber-to-the-home works to all leading internet provider companies for entertainment services, construction of facilities and retail outlets. The company also constructs retail outlets like Reliance Trends, Reliance Digital, Reliance Footprint, Reliance Cash and Carry, etc. Telecom Construction Head Datta Uma Maheshwar Rao. Uma Maheshwar Rao has over 20 years of experience in the fields of construction, project administration and commercial aspects. He was instrumental in increasing the shelter supply business from 25 lakh per month to 3.5 crores per month.
Hi, we work for all telecom operators and tower owning companies for creating their infra works on turnkey basis. Our services are starting from design and we construct all types of towers for their 5G networks. So we have created 11,500 towers across pan-India and past 10 years of our journey. We do optical fiber laying works across pan-India. Majority we are targeting AP, Telangana and Karnataka. As on date, we have laid 5,003 kilometers in the past 8 years of our BEPL history. And we also undertake FTTX works, that is fiber to home pass. 2.76 lakhs FTTX connections were given by BEPL in the past 3 years. We have completed more than 100 retail fit-outs in north and as well as southern zones. Our strength is vendors and as well as suppliers. We have a huge vendor base of 250 plus across pan India. We always take care of our partners, hence actually resulting we have a huge vendor base in pan India.
Supply of towers. BEPL has installed vast facility at Rampalli, Hyderabad, which is strategically designed for the material movement and takes its pride to convey with its huge capacity of 24,000 metric tons per annum, with similar in-house galvanizing capacity. Situated in huge place of 6 acres, with a covered shed area of 50,000 square feet. Approved by AP Transco, TS Transco and OPTCL up to 132 kV transmission lines and up to 220 kV substation structures. Addition of 2 CNC lines to enhance the production capacity. CNC machine to manufacture various sections. Dedicated hindrance-free storage area for raw materials and finished goods separately. Smooth material handling with EOT cranes and mobile cranes. Mechanical and chemical test laboratories. Highly skilled staff having experience in IS, EN, ASTM standards. Tower Plant Head Mr. MVD Prasad is a postgraduate in Computer Sciences from Osmania University. MVD Prasad has over 20 years of experience in the fields of construction and project management.
I manage tower plant situated in Hyderabad. We started this business 4 years back. The plant capacity is 24,000 metric ton per annum. We manufacture telecom towers, telecom poles, transmission line towers and substation structures. In terms of turnover, 200 crores. We have exported telecom towers to countries like Denmark and the transmission line towers to Nepal.
Operations and maintenance. BEPL's dedicated team of O&M provides cell site maintenance, preventive and corrective maintenance of passive infrastructure, surveillance and corrective maintenance of OFC routes, small, medium and large facilities. Telecom O&M Head Mr. A. Nandakumar. Mr. A. Nandakumar works as the Head of O&M Services. Mr. Nandakumar has over 20 years of extensive experience in telecom implementation and managed services, infrastructure management, logistics and warehousing. His expertise lies in subcontracting, negotiating and tracking SLA deliverables. He has handled businesses such as EPC including site acquisition, procurement, construction, municipal permission and EB connection. He implemented ZTE Telecom services in 3,000 sites within 1 year and awarded Best Project Manager.
Hi, this is Nandakumar. I handle O&M business in BEPL. BEPL is committed in providing flexible, integrated, dependable, cost-effective, quality and responsive solutions for operation maintenance requirement of telecom industry.
Renewable energy. India is heavily dependent on fossil fuels for its energy needs. Most of the power generation is carried out by coal and mineral oil-based power plants which contribute heavily to greenhouse gases emission. Driven both by falling renewable energy prices and higher costs or penalties for pollution and handling coal, the shift has been remarkable and still building pace. It seems absolutely safe to say that, if not 2030, by at least 2040, definitely almost every developed country in the G20 would be primarily green power driven. BEPL's dynamic leadership has thoroughly studied, forecasted this situation and initiated working on solar contracts on EPC model. It has delivered so far 110 megawatt capacity of solar plants in Gujarat state to a very reputed customer, that is KP Group. Apart from this, the company is also working with other companies like Enrich Energy, Adani and Greenco. The scope of work in EPC model starts from designing of the plant, supply of all items including solar modules, execution of works on end-to-end basis. Solar Business Head Mr. V. Lakshman Rao has over 20 years of experience in the fields of sourcing and procurement, OPEX management, customer management, vendor development and management, logistics management, supply chain management, commercial affairs, inventory management and commercial aspects. Currently, he is in charge of Solar Division.
We Solar team are happy to say that we are increasing our revenue share year on year. Coming back to the next financial year, we are targeting around 150 CR. Out of that, 120 CR orders are on hand. From next financial onwards, entire team, which includes projects, designing, supply chain, account stream, start operating from Surat to bring the better controls and to enhance the customer delight experience. To enhance our footprint in both the Telugu states, we are awaiting for the guidelines from the government as well to government for the open access system. We as a solar team promise you a lot more exciting things will happen in the coming years.
Green products. While keeping in view the various advantages of green products and realizing their essentiality, BEPL diversified its services and started manufacturing green products and introduced them in household and commercial construction market. As a part of business diversification, the company has started its own state-of-the-art manufacturing plants with highly technologically driven machinery and equipment. The plants include manufacture of AAC blocks, fabrication of UPVC windows and doors. This style of diversification not only exposed BEPL to lessen its material purchasing costs for its own projects, but also expanded its brand value in the residential and commercial construction communities. Gradually, BEPL's green product supplies extended to Indian commercial and household construction market. UPVC stands for Unplasticized Polyvinyl Chloride. BEPL has two manufacturing plants in Vizag and Hyderabad with 4.8 lakh square feet capacity per annum, primarily to cater supply of windows and doors to all commercial, industrial and residential purposes. UPVC plant head, Mr. A. Pradeep. Mr. Pradeep Alaparthi is a civil engineer graduate from JNTU Hyderabad. He is young and diligent leader having experience in numerous domains of telecom constructions, pre-engineering building constructions, industrial infrastructure constructions and residential building constructions. He is proficient in competitive market analysis, contact negotiations and techno-commercial aspects of projects.
I take care of UPVC doors and windows business segment under the Bondada Abodes company. We have two manufacturing units, one in Hyderabad, one in Vizag, with combined install capacity of 4.8 lakh square feet per annum. We generate 10 crores revenue from both plants per year. Our brand is well known in the market as Smart Windows. Our customers are major construction companies along with the builders. The most of the companies are presently happening with UPVC windows and doors because of many advantages like low price, maintenance free, durability, aesthetic look, pest free, etc. With this UPVC material we can make any design and any size. These windows are commonly called as French windows.
AAC stands for Aerated Autoclave Concrete. BEPL's manufacturing plant with 1.5 lakh cubic meter capacity per annum is situated at Jaggaipet, Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh. AAC plant head, Mr. ATV Varaprasad. Mr. Varaprasad has previously worked as tower manufacturing plant head, known for his internal controls, cost controls and negotiation skills. Currently, he is handling AAC blocks manufacturing plant with capacity of 1.5 lakh cubic meters per annum. Within 6 months, he enhanced production from 250 metric tons to 1000 metric tons.
Hi, this is Varaprasad Addanki, Business Head, Smart Bricks Infra Technologies Private Limited, subsidiary of Bondada Engineering Private Limited. Since 2016, we are manufacturing and supplying green products with complete wall construction solution under the brand name of Smart Bricks, the Engineer's Choice. Smart Bricks, the Engineer's Choice is very much certified by Indian Green Building Council and Indian Standard Institution. We have other products also like Smart Fix to use as a adhesive to fix the blocks, and Smart Plaster is a ready mix plaster. By using this, we can avoid plastering with the river sand. By saving the river sand, we are going to save the rivers. One more product is the Smart Plast. Smart Plast is a interior and exterior wall putty which will protect the wall and the paint. Smart Bricks has been a well-known brand name in the two Telugu states, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. For all this success, I would like to thank each and every supporting customer and as well as the all stakeholders. Thank you very much.
The company has shown consistent financial performance with steady revenue growth since its setup and has been reflecting 65% compounded annual growth rate in revenue till financial year 2022. Director, CFO, Mr. Bharatam Satyanarayana. Satyanarayana Bharatam is a chartered accountant with 20 plus years of post-qualification experience in corporate finance and accounting. He is one of the founding directors of the company and has contributed to the growth of the company by successfully establishing credit limits with SBI in the first year of operations of BEPL. He was instrumental in enhancing credit facilities from 2 crores to 50 crores. He has played a vital role in creating the various processes and frameworks in the company which have propelled the company to the next stage of growth. He has handled various finance and accounts, taxes and compliances, commercial, budgetary controls, internal controls, and procurement assignments for BEPL.
Financial year 2021-22 is a special year for us because we have achieved another landmark of crossing 300 crore plus revenue benchmark. We have achieved revenue of 340 crore during this financial year as against our first year revenue of just 7 crore. We had an average annual revenue growth rate of 65% year on year over the last 10 years. Needless to say, this is remarkable achievement. The company has order booking of 270 crore as of March 2022, which needs to be delivered in next 6 to 8 months of time. Our chairman and managing director, Mr. B.R. Rao, is always very particular on employee care. I would say employee care is one of the major factors for the stupendous success of our company. Employees are our strength and they are our assets. We have best corporate governance practices in terms of management policies, compliance of law, management information systems, adherence to ethical standards, discharge of social responsibility in true spirit. We are banking with Federal Bank and we are happy to associate with this bank. We hereby pledge to safeguard the interests of all stakeholders of our company, which include shareholders, employees, bankers, suppliers, and contractors, government, and other public at large. With this decade of journey, I am sure we will celebrate many more years of successes with everlasting life for this company.
The company has an employee strength of 500 plus and expect to increase the strength much more due to the new projects in pipeline.
We are currently 500 plus employees working in this group. Our main motto and aim is to create more and more employment in coming days. We take care of employees' welfare in all possible ways as they are our strength and assets. We should really appreciate our team that they have really worked very hard even during COVID times to meet our customer expectations. Directly or indirectly, we are giving livelihood of about 10,000 families in this company. My endeavor is to make it even much bigger.
Director, Ms. Bondada Neelima. Bondada Neelima is a graduate from ANU University in 2003 from Bachelor of Science. She is one of the promoters and founding directors of the company.
Our company gives utmost importance in employee engagements on different forums. We create employee-friendly work culture, thereby ensuring employee comfort. We celebrate all festivals in office and employees participate with great enthusiasm. The company is spending money on CSR activities, which are resulting in many good initiatives. We have taken all possible precautions during COVID tough times to safeguard employees and their families. Operational excellence from Rao Garu and good internal control systems by Satya Garu are the key facts for the success of our company. The leadership team is driving the company to reach greater heights and I wish to continue the same in the future.
The company aims to become a leading engineering orchestrator of choice for its numerous renowned clients as below: Reliance Jio, Airtel, Indus, Tata Communications, L&T, BSNL, ITI, Ericsson, KP Group, Enrich Energy, My Home Industries, Vasavi Group, Janapriya, JMC, L&W, Shapoorji Pallonji, Ashoka Builders. BEPL also plans to invest in other high-growth areas in forthcoming years. Last but not the least, BEPL has been active in its CSR initiatives since very early on its journey.
We are very active in CSR initiatives, corporate social responsibility since beginning of our journey. We have been spending over and above mandated amounts as per statutory obligations every year on CSR, uplift the livelihoods of people in rural areas. Rural healthcare, which includes medical camps for health checkups, provided oxygen cylinders, concentrators, and medical kits during COVID times. We are also providing basic amenities in rural and remote villages as a part of CSR initiatives, provided solar street lights, development of graveyards, setup of drinking water treatment plants, and many more works.
Recollecting struggling life in his childhood and inspired by the virtue and highness from his father, Shri Bondada Pichaya, and empathizing the economically struggling school children, Mr. Bondada Raghavendra Rao, the chairman and managing director of the company, guided his colleagues and enhanced countless aids and support. BEPL has sponsored several projects to NGOs for the welfare of physically challenged and differently abled children on BEPL's behalf, as one of its gestures of corporate social responsibility. BEPL's CSR mission initiated the renovation of several neglected schools and arranged basic amenities in and around Krishna district. Especially in this corona pandemic, BEPL played major role in granting medical equipment like oxygen concentrators and COVID medical kits to countless victims. Numerous voices evince this ferocious initiative and confers survived with his kindled spirit. BEPL's CSR mission also focuses on contributions to relief funds, donations towards temple construction and school development activities, solar lights and self-timed lights across many villages, providing barricades to traffic police, donations to the hospitals, development of cremation grounds, scholarships to meritorious students, installation of water treatment plants, donations to NGOs, organizing medical and blood donation camps, and many more. Manava Seve, Madhava Seva. With this inspiring journey of last 10 years, this company is aiming to achieve revenue benchmarks of 1,000 crores in next 5 years, that is by 2027.